Alright, so we're breaking this chain so it fits this bike. Got it in there. Just gonna pop this out. The chain on this bike was rusted completely, so we had to snap it off with some wire cutters. It was in rough shape. But we got a new chain for it. We're gonna put it on here. Just gonna need to shorten the chain a little bit. There we go. I guess I gotta take it out of there. Alright, sweet. So now we got a chain that fits this bike properly. And we're gonna put it on. So, what we gotta do now is we gotta feed it through the bike. But we gotta put it on the highest gear. So, it's easiest to get to where we want. So, pull it through here, in between these two. Oh, we go this way. There we go. The bike shall live again. Now we put it on the highest gear over here, or the lowest gear, I guess. Oh. Get through here. Yeah, that's better. And look at that, good fit. So we got, there it is. I had it out here a second ago. You see the clip for it? This one had it all out. There's one of them. There's the other one. Sweet. So we can see what's going on. So then this is super easy. And on that side. One on that side. Put the clips on and pull it tight, then it locks into place, and very rusty still, needs a bit of a clean. You got a chain that works. Yay!